one thing to make a shampoo, and it's another thing to make a very good shampoo. It's one thing to make a shampoo that would really deeply cleanse your hair, not strip your hair of the moisture. A shampoo that would do all the really nice things that is expected to do. Can you see how easy it is for me to detangle my hair when I haven't even deep conditioned yet? Guys, you need this. You guys remember the last video that I shared here on my channel, my black soap shampoo? Guys, that was, I'm not going to say it was a disaster because it was giving what it was supposed to be giving, like the sleep and all, but somehow I felt like I shouldn't have used that wax, and I told you guys I was going to correct it. If you watched two videos, my previous two videos, I mentioned that I was going to correct that mistake that I made in that video, and none of you were able to even spot out the mistake, or maybe you spotted it but you weren't sure if that was the mistake I was referring to, or probably you weren't even sure if you wanted to say anything or whatever. But it's fine. I pick no offense against anybody. Probably because you just didn't want to pay attention to it. Anyway, it's fine. So today I decided to correct that mistake, and I decided to make a good shampoo this time around for myself. So as you guys had already seen in the video, I had already grated my black soap that I'm going to be using. I always use Dudu Osun. Probably the time I'm going to change, I'm going to also let you guys know that, oh, I'm not using Dudu Osun, I'm using something else. But that was Dudu Osun that I grated there in the video. And then I went ahead to add in some herbs into my mixing jar, and I'm going to also add hot water into this because it's this hair tea that I want to use to make my shampoo. You can use just hot water, like normal hot water, to dissolve your black soap to make your shampoo, and add in essential oils, or whichever way you feel like doing it. Really, it will work. But I just felt like adding these herbs would also boost the efficacy of my shampoo. Like, it was going to give my shampoo much more better vibe, like applying such really nice shampoo to my hair, which is not just maybe just water, but has some really nice ingredients that are going to also help nourish and strengthen my hair. In my last video, I think a couple of videos back, I mentioned that growing a healthy natural hair is much more also about the things you do to your hair. So the moment you stop doing those very nice things to your hair, you would regret it, guys. You really will. So today I decided to make this really great deep cleansing, strengthening, nourishing, revitalizing black soap shampoo for my hair. Yes, this shampoo did not strip my hair of the moisture at all, guys. It did not. So continue watching this video right on to the end and do not go nowhere. All right. Adding the hot water in, I added in 4 tablespoons of chili powder into this. Chili powder is known for its moisturizing benefit. It helps prevent the hair from breaking, falling, and shedding. It also helps strengthen the hair, so that's why I went ahead to add in 4 tablespoons of that into my mix. And then I covered this up and I allowed it to cool down for a bit. It didn't exactly cool down for long. I think I left it for about 30 minutes to 40 minutes, wasn't up to an hour. And then I came back to strain it because this water was not going to cool down anytime soon, and I needed to wash my hair. So quick advice for you guys: if you want to make this, try to make this a day before your wash day. I think that will make it better. Like, you can allow this stick down for a very long time before you go ahead to strain it. But if you can do 40 minutes to an hour, that's fine. But I couldn't do up to an hour, so I did about 30 minutes to 30 minutes to 40 minutes, like I already mentioned earlier. So now I'm just going to grab a quick bowl, and then grab a quick bowl. I grabbed the bowl quickly, poured in my grated soap mix into the bowl, and then I'm going to be straining this hot tea right into my soap. So after straining that, I know I needed to still sieve this because Black soap, as you know, always comes with a bit of particles and all, but if you're using Dudu Osun, you don't really have to worry too much about lots of particles, except if your soap did not dissolve very well. Like you guys saw in the video, my soap did not dissolve so well, and some particles of the rosemary and a couple of other things fell into my shampoo, so I had to strain that out. That was why I did the double sieving. Okay, so anyways, I went ahead to add in all of my essential oils. If you've not seen the short video where I showed you guys the new essential oils that I added to my hair collections, then please do have to check the description box down below for the link to that video. So I went in to add in all of my essential oils: amla oil, tea tree oil, rosemary oil, mint oil, neem oil, lemon oil, and last but not the least, eucalyptus oil. So I went ahead to add in all 7 essential oils into this. That's to tell you how rich this shampoo was. So when I said I didn't come to play when I was correcting the mistake I made in the last video, I didn't come to play, guys. I was so intentional with what I was doing to this shampoo. I wanted this shampoo to be the very best that you can ever find. I wanted it to be giving all that it was supposed to be giving, and yes guys, it did give what it was supposed to be given. So I went ahead to add in a couple of hair growth oil that I had at home before. This was a hair oil I made in my last video. If you want to see that, I'm going to also link that video down below in the description box. So I went ahead to add in that oil into the shampoo as well, give this a nice mix, and then I transferred it into my applicator bottle, and it was ready for use, guys. This shampoo, the way this shampoo was doing, oh my god, see what I'm saying? Shampoo. The shampoo was so good. It was really good. So if you want to make a shampoo like this for your hair, you might not necessarily add all of the essential oils that I added. You might not necessarily use all the herbs that I used, all the spices that I used. Just pick something that feels really nice and great for your natural hair. You can use just ginger and chebe powder because those are very easy to find ingredients, or rosemary and ginger, or anything about any herb whatsoever that you can find in the market. Just get one really nice one, make a tea out of it, and then use it to dissolve your black soap, and your shampoo is ready. If you have essential oils, go ahead and throw some in. So I went ahead and hydrate my hair with water first of all before applying the shampoo to my hair. The shampoo was feeling really good. Like the lather was really great. It wasn't like some other kind of shampoo that I've used before that at first wash it won't really lather so much, except after second, third wash. This is just the first wash, and this was so good. That's to tell you that this shampoo was really good. So I went ahead to wash my scalp really nicely, because the scalp is where most of the dead concentrate themselves on. And also, if you have scalp issues and you want to use this shampoo particularly for hair growth, go ahead to apply this to your scalp, and then also do well to massage your scalp really nicely so as to stimulate blood flow around that area, and then hair growth can begin to take place. Of course, it's not going to happen just right in the shower there, but over time, as you continue to use this shampoo, it's going to continue to stimulate hair growth over time for you. So that's it basically for this video. I went ahead to wash my hair like twice, just to like completely cleanse my strands and my scalp, because whenever I'm washing my hair, first wash is focusing on my scalp, and the second wash is focusing on my strands. In the last video when I showed you guys how I used my shampoo, I told you guys I ran out of shampoo, so I really couldn't wash my strands in that video. So that's why in this video I focused so much on washing my strands, ensuring that they're all clean and all great. Guys, you saw the last video, right? I told you guys my hair was feeling really bad, but after using those treatments, guys, can you see my hair? My hair is back to life and feeling really good again. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. Please do not forget to hit the red subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be the very first to get notified whenever I post new videos. Bye.